Okay, so I finally made it to the Badlands White River KOA holiday. This place is pretty big. It's got everything here. I mean, to be honest with you, it's got a lot of stuff here. The good thing about here is that the wind is not going to kill you. But I know it's in the Badlands. There's a lot of wind going on, but here it looks like it's just regular weather-ish. So this is my area. It's not that bad. It's actually in. Let me see the ground. No, it's not that bad. Still recommend a sleeping pad on it though. Got a fire pit. Got your fire pit. Got your picnic area. The bathrooms are over there. I'll show you guys around what it looks like around here. But this is pretty much where the tent area is. And then you got your RVers. I'm probably on the outskirts. But the cool thing is that when you do come here, you have to go to in the beginning. You get checked in, and then if it's not crazy busy, a guy on the golf course is going to show you where you need to go. That's pretty cool. But let me just get my tent set up real fast. I hope I remember how to put the tent together. It hasn't been a year, so let me go see if I can do that. Okay, so while I have the daylight, I'm going to show you guys around the White River KOA holiday. Yeah, I finally put my tent up. Here it is. Highly recommend before you get in here is put your bug spray on right away. Because when you set up your tent or whatever, they're going to be attacking you. So make sure you got your bug spray on. Learned my lesson. I probably got beat up, but I had to put the bug spray on. The only thing about it is that, do you take a shower in the morning and then put the bug spray on? Because if you don't want to go to sleep with the bug spray, I mean, you don't want to go to sleep with that bug spray. I don't know. That's going to be a little bit interesting how I do this. But we got the dumpster right next to it. The one thing I like about it, like when I pick my areas, I always try to make it next to the bathroom. Because, you know, midnight run. Sometimes you got to go. Dumpster right over here. The bathroom and the showers are together, and they also have laundry right next to it, but the showers is free. From what I saw, there was no coin system in there, so the showers are free. That's pretty cool. This is one area that has the bathroom, the women over there, men over there, and you got the laundry right over here. And the laundry is 24 hours, just to let you know. So if you want to be doing laundry in the middle of the night, go right ahead. And the laundry, the washer is $2.75. Dryer is $1, which is not bad. And in the dryer is 20 minutes, and it's open 24 hours. No pets in here. But it's pretty cool in here. Got your reading. These are new coins right here. Says bent coins jam in the coin slots of these machines. Please do not use any bent coins in these. But this is the laundry area, and it's right next to the bathroom, so you don't gotta do too much. And it says quarters are available at the camp store, which is in the front right when you come in. All right, let's keep going on with the tour. Those lights go off by itself. I'm not going to show you the bathroom. Just trust me, the bathrooms are clean. In the showers too. Surprise. A phone booth? What? That's how old this is. Does it work? Is there a phone? Oh no. That would have been cool if they had one in there. It's old school style. Landline. And the pool is 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Let's see if this phone works. I'll be surprised. Let's find out if it works. It's old school style. Nah. It would have been cool if it worked. So this is the food area. Let's go this way. Got laundry up here too, just to let you guys know. And that's in the store. And you got your hot and water, cold water over here too. It's pretty cool. French fries, hamburgers, buffalo. It ain't cheap, guys. Hamburger like $8.25. God. Grilled cheese sandwich, chicken tenders, drinks, sweet teas, $2.50. Food ain't cheap here, guys. It ain't cheap. And you can kind of be here, eat your food here, but it's pretty nice. And that is about, if I said, when you come here, when you come down this road, you got to stop right here, go into the store, get checked in. And the thing is, and that guy right there, he's going to take you where you need to go if it's not too busy or crazy. And it's pretty good. These pathways are not that bad. Oh yeah, that's your dump station and your propane. You probably have to ask them how much that costs. It ain't free. Nothing's free. But yeah, you come here, dump station's right there for you RVers. And you're pretty much good to go. Normally the dump stations are always in the beginning. But they do have cabins here that you can stay. You're gonna have to ask. I'm not sure how much they are here, but there are cabins here for you. If you don't got the RV and you don't have, you're not gonna tent it, they got cabins here for you. It's gonna be a little more expensive, just to let you know that. Yeah, so this is the dog park right here. All right here. And it says, do not leave pets unattended. You can't just throw them in there. Oh yeah, just to let you guys know, your internet, you're on your phone, it's not going to work very well. So the signal here is not that great. But they do have that, but they will have you something to access their Wi-Fi here, so that's pretty good. I just wanted to give you a little tidbit on that. And it's working pretty well for now, but I don't know if more people get on it, then it's going to slow it down. But right now it's working. I'm updating, posting things on Facebook and everything. But I just wanted to give you that heads up. Your signal may not work, and I have AT&T, so your signal may not work as well out here. But they do give you their Wi-Fi. You can hop on that and use that as well. So I thought that was pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching. Please keep subscribing to Cook Sky Adventures, and also follow me on Facebook and also follow me on Instagram. Subscribe, and I will see you guys later.